What's up, guys? We're finally getting to the second training session of our Rio trip at Ares BJJ in Rio de Janeiro. Most of the footage that I shoot in bright sunlight with this look a lot sharper. What you're about to see, it's all basically a low light situation. I actually go through the subways and stuff, so it's really low light. You'll see what the quality looks like. It's decent. It's okay. And then we have the Fujifilm X100F, which I think is probably my favorite travel camera. I use it for a lot of stuff. And actually what I'm shooting right now is the X-T3. That's what I shoot most of my stuff on. I try to. But on this trip, usually when I'm traveling, it's really easier to have just the GoPro and the X100F. One thing that is interesting is the video shots that you're going to see with the GoPro. They're a little soft. And then the photos with the X100F are real sharp. So it's kind of a really cool contrast. Other than that, check it out. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, share it with your friends, all that stuff. Thanks, guys.
Going to go to Ares to train that night, which was with Alan Marias, who is the professor of lots of really high level guys. So a lot of really high level guys have come out of that room.
To get to our training session, we had to take the subway. And to be honest with you, before I went on this trip, I don't think I even knew that Rio had a subway. And not only that, it was quite nice, very clean, easy to navigate.
Getting to Brazil, this is our second night training. There's a lot of nervous energy. There's some tension in the room. There's a couple cultural differences in training jiu-jitsu in Brazil and training jiu-jitsu in America. The main one being when you walk on the mat, it's very, very, very important that you shake everyone's hand. So, but it is consistent every time. They are gonna shake. If you walk on the mat first, you're good. If you walk on there second, you're gonna shake everybody's hand. It's just, they're gonna come to you. If you walk on their last, you're gonna shake everybody's hand. So basically you shake everybody's hand either before you got on the mat or when they came after you. So that's just very interesting and very different.
I was pretty excited because I saw there were some smaller girls there for me to get some rounds with. So that was exciting for me. I don't get that very often. So there were definitely plenty of training partners there. Plenty of small people. So that was nice.
Everybody is all smiles, everybody is very nice, but if you've ever trained jiu-jitsu before, you understand that when you go to another gym, there's definitely an air of the people that are at that gym are gonna try to like protect they're proud of their professor, they're proud of their jiu-jitsu. They want to show, they don't want to get beat up by somebody from another country walking in their gym for the night. That's not what they want to do. And it's not a malicious thing on either one of them, it's just a competitive thing. And just like you want to impress your parents, people want to impress their jiu-jitsu professor. It helps them get promoted, it helps them feel good, you know what I mean? So that's all that is. That's all that energy comes from, because I guarantee you, no matter how hard any of the rounds had, and I had some hard ones where we really beat the crap out of each other, every single one, better than Americans, I'll add, are when the round ends over there, any tension that was there is done. I saw Eric Raposo break somebody's foot. Eric did not do it intentionally. The guy was slow to tap, another black belt. That's how it goes. And listen, in that moment, the guy was mad. The bell rang, boop, that was it. That was it. They were friends again. There was like, that ended, and that was encompassing its own thing. And so I really love that about jiu-jitsu.
Thank you, Eric, for bringing everyone here, and I hope to see you. Let's take a picture. Okay, big one. Hey, say hey.